What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $30,000 per month with YouTube or even more. Okay, but before that I have a little surprise for you. If you want to make $100 per day with 100% free traffic, then I have a 100% free training for you. Check out the link in the description, and I'm damn sure if you are gonna follow those tricks, you will be making at least $100 per day. And if you are interested in the niche of making money online, entrepreneurship related niche and business related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe because you are gonna find daily valuable content on this channel. So now, what's the method I'm going to share with you, how you can make money on YouTube without filming any video. Okay, basically what we are going to do over here, we are going to take another we are going to piggyback the videos which are already successful. Why we are going to do that? Because the topics which are already in trend, if we are going to make videos on that, we are not going to film any video. If we are going to upload videos related to those kind, then we are going to grow our channel very faster. Okay, and literally most of you think only of the AdSense, but AdSense is the littlest money you can make. It's the worst money you can make. There are tons and tons of other things with which you can make a ton of money. Okay, so literally you can see this guy is making about $2,400 dollars with just 600,000 views. So with 6,000 views you can make a ton of money. Let me just show you what we are gonna to do over here. Okay, basically what we are gonna to do, let's say weight loss. Okay, lose weight. Basically it's a very target keyword, and most of the guys are suffering from they want to lose their weight. Okay, let's look at this. If you want this if you want to see this, then be sure to install a free plugin that is keyword everywhere. You just need to type it on the Google and install its extension. So after I have searched, look at this, it's showing about 0.54% competition and a ton of searches. Okay, so what we are gonna to do, we are not gonna to film any video. What we are gonna to do, we are gonna to come over here and type any niche what we are gonna to find videos, and thereafter click the filters and click on Creative Commons. It is going to provide all of those videos which do not have any copyright. So literally this is the ultimate thing, that how you can protect yourself and can make $30,000. Look at this. This channel is having only 28,000 subscribers, and it has gotten over 1 million views just 2 months ago. So I'm damn sure that 28,000 subscribers are also driven by this 1 million views. Okay, so literally with just starting from 0 subscribers, in just 2 months this channel has grown to 30,000 subscribers. Look at this. Most of the subscribers have been gained because of this video. Okay, 278 subscribers and 1 million views, 160 subscribers and over 6,000 views. 160, and look at this, most of the videos are over here which are having tons and tons of views. Okay, so what you need to do, just select the video. Let's say you want to upload this video, so what you need to do, just download this video. There are tons and tons of tools, like you just need to type on the Google download YouTube video. Thereafter a tab will open. Okay, download YouTube video. Okay, there will be lots and lots of sites. You just need to give them a link of the YouTube video and provide the link, and then click the 720p or whatever the case in which you want to download the video. Okay, and thereafter you will easily be able to download the videos. So after you have downloaded, you need to edit that video. But don't be worried, you do not need to be a specialist in the editor. It's the simplest editing that I'm going to show you. Okay, what you need to do, just go on the Google and in the YouTube as well, there is a royalty free music. Just take that music and add it into the video, because YouTube's algorithm tests to check the videos on the basis of what music. They cannot see the video because there are bots. So on the basis of the listening, they are judging the videos. So if you will add some kind of music, then there will be some kind of difference between both of the videos. And literally if we are going to take the videos from Creative Commons, there will be no problem at all. Okay, so literally you need to select these top videos and copy their tags, copy their title, copy all that stuff, and thereafter just upload the video by if you want you can combine two videos like this or even this. So you can also do this. There are free software, you just need to type it on the Google, and I don't remember the name, but there are lots of free software, free video editing software. There you will find tons and tons of videos. Yeah, Windows editor for the Windows users, and I think iMovie is also great for the iPad users. For the literally see, there are tons and tons of editors which are totally free, and you literally do not need to spend any money for that. Okay, so literally what you need to do, the step one is just to find out the videos in your niche, and thereafter select the best video, copy their tags, titles, just download the video, and thereafter upload it to YouTube and just add the music, or you can also combine 2 or 3 videos. Thereafter, after you have uploaded, you will start getting ton of views. Why? Because you will be shown in the search related suggested sections of this video, and suggested section is here. Okay, so you will start generating a ton of views from there, and literally you have copied this video, and this video's topic is in trend. Look at this, 30,000 subscribers and 1 million views. So that means that topic is in complete trend. So you will start getting a lot of traffic because you are not filming any video. So what you can do, try uploading 5 to 10 videos a day. The more and more you are going to upload, the more and more your channel will grow. Okay, so literally these are the this is the VidIQ. You can install this free plugin. Okay, and these are the related sections. Okay, you can copy the tags from here with the help of the VidIQ extension. So when you are going to copy their tags, title, you will be shown over here. So look at this, 18 million views just because it has landed into the suggested section. So our goal is to come over here. Okay, when we will be listing over here, we will start getting watch time, and thereafter we will automatically start showing in the search results. So but what is the trick over here? You can select any whatever you want, like martial arts, just do the same thing what I have told you. Okay, so literally it's that simple. Okay, but here is how you are going to make that much money from the YouTube, up to $30,000. What our goal is? Our goal is to make $30,000. I do not know what the hell is going on. Okay, our goal is to make a $30,000 every single month. Okay, so literally let's say you have gotten you have started getting about in the first month you have gotten about 10,000 views. 10,000 views is bare minimum. I have shown you that topic is in trending part, and with a brand new topic, if the topic is trending, you can literally grow your channel. During the cryptocurrency explosion, there are channels who have grown to 100,000 subscribers in just 1 month. So literally see the potential. Okay, and over here, let's say you have gotten only 10,000 views in the first month. Okay, and now we are going to take that out of the 10,000, you have put it a link into the description, and 10%, the click-through ratio is between 10 to 20%, or maybe it will be 5%. So what we are going to take, we are going to take 5%. So 5% of 10,000 will be all about 500 are going to click the link, and 10% will buy. Although the ratio is not 10%, but why I am taking the 10% will buy? The reason being, we are going to promote a low ticket product, and low ticket product generally converts up to 20% ratio. Okay, so we are only going to promote a $10 product. Okay, we are only going to promote a $10 product. But what I will suggest you, before you are going to send the guy to the sales page, send him to an opt-in page. So when you will be having an email, you have gotten an email of 500 members, you are literally going to make a ton of money the whole of the year. Okay, so literally look at this. Now 50% has bought a product worth of $10. So how much you made? $500. But here is the trick, this is not the end, this is just the starting. Okay, this is just starting, and out of those 50 are they, because they love your content, they buy your product, they love that product. Okay, so literally out of 50, at least and at least 25, the 50% ratio are gonna to buy the another product worth over $100. Okay, literally this is the sales trick that is gonna to make you a lot of money. So from here also you have made $2,500. Okay, literally it depends on how much value you give in the second product. If the value is a lot, maybe the ratio will be 100%, maybe the ratio will be 70%, maybe the ratio will be 10% if the product is very bad. But you need to find out the high top-notch products. You can easily find out the ClickBank by selecting the popularity or gravity section. So literally what you have made over $2,500 over here. Okay, so after this you are going to promote another high ticket product to these guys. Now you are going to promote a $500 product. You might be thinking that nobody is going to purchase this, but they will purchase because they are getting from a lot of value from these kinds of product. So they are aware that you are going to provide a lot of value. Okay, so although this also converts up to 50%, but I'm just telling about 10 are going to buy this again. So literally 10 there is a saying about 80 to 20% rule. Okay, basically 80% of your revenue will be driven by 20% of your customers. So basically these are the 20% buyers who are who will make you the most of the money. Okay, so literally $5,000 just from here, and thereafter you are again gonna to promote $1,000 product. Okay, $1,000 product again you are gonna to promote. So literally I'm not gonna to say that 5 are gonna to buy, literally 2 are gonna to buy. Okay, so 2 from here will be buying, and again the $2,000 from here. So 5 and it's 7, so you have made almost $10,000. It's a 5 2, it's 3 and plus 2 5, so you have made almost $10,000 with just 10,000 views. But how are you gonna to make another money? Okay, literally with just, if you can make just 10,000 views, with just 10,000 views you can make this much money. So literally think, with just 30,000 views you can make up to a ton of money. With just 30,000 views you can make a $30,000. It depends on how much value you are giving. Okay, so literally if you are going to upload 5 videos a day, okay, you do not need to film any video, so you can easily make in just 30 days you will be having over 150 videos. And out of 150 videos I will only say that 10%, not even 10%, I'm only taking 5%. That means 7 videos will start getting a ton of views. Only and only 7 videos will start getting a ton of views. Okay, 7 videos are going to start getting a ton of views. Only 7 videos will start getting 10,000 views. 7 videos are bareless. Literally 1 in every video performs very well. Okay, so 10,000, so you have gotten over 70,000 plus views. So with the 70,000 views you can make at least $30,000, and plus your YouTube revenue. I haven't counted your YouTube revenue, and plus that was the first thing you can make money with. Just affiliate marketing you can make $30,000 plus. Let me show you some of the more methods. Okay, and the second thing what you can do is the YouTube ad revenue. With this you can also make about $2,000 and all that stuff. And literally thereafter, the third thing what you can do, you can provide them something of free trial, because there are also free trial that pays money. I'm going to share with you where you can find those. So literally it's the free trial. This is also a great method, and it really converts very well. Okay, so with the free method as well, free trial offers, you can make a ton of money. Okay, basically it's the site called Offer Vault. Okay, Offer Vault, you just go on the Offer Vault, and thereafter just search over there the free trial offers. It will reveal you all of the offers that pays you for free trial. So that is also one of the main things with which you can make money. And literally I'm forgetting the most important thing, that there are also the promotional deals. With the promotional deals you can literally make $5,000 to $10,000 just from one promotion. Okay, so these are the ways with which you can easily make up to $30,000 every single month from the YouTube. Okay, you just need to start making videos, just start taking action. You may not start making 10,000 money from the first month, but after that you will be start making money. Just be patient and start working. Don't just leave if it does not work for 1 month, because your efforts will start adding like compounding interest, and they will further grow and they will make you lots and lots of money. Okay, so I really hope that guys you like these videos, and if you like this video, do not forget to smash the subscribe button, because you are gonna find daily interesting videos and making money online videos on this channel. And if you haven't enrolled into the free training to make $100 every single day, then be sure to check that out, because you will be getting a lot of value, and after that you will be easily able to make $100 per day with 100% free traffic. So guys, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.